Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is ventilation system dryer. It is brand wise Whirlpool brand, made in USA, but this machine having problem. According to the customer, this machine while using time his fabric getting burned, otherwise it's melting. Because of that only we collected to the workshop. Now we have to check what is the exact problem. He's telling actually the while rotating time it's noise also abnormal, but all the fabrics are getting burned. Because of that we have to check what is the exact problem. Now we will go to the check-in step. So I already given power. Also here I selected time drive. It is this one I select high. Also I will start the machine now. Machine already got start. You can hear the noise. The problem is inside fabric, all the fabrics are getting burned, otherwise it's getting melt. Something abnormal it's happening. It's not the normal issue. Now I will do one thing. I will open the door here. And now it is very warm inside. Heater is okay, but I will suspecting this drum not rotating with the load. Because of that I have to check manually. Now I already opened the door. This dryer machine model wise, this one here you can see 3LWD 470S5FWD. This is the model Whirlpool brand. Now what I'm going to do, I will press manually door switch and I will start the machine. You can see dear friends, it's very slowly rotating. It is not the normal rotating process. Yeah, it's very slowly it's rotating. I will, yes my dear, just I kept my hand. It's not rotating, that is the reason. If he selecting high temperature, you can see here heater is working, drum not rotating, actually slowly rotating. The problem with the ideal pulley, otherwise belt. Now we have to check, we have to remove the drum out. We have to take it out the drum. After that we can find out. You can see while touching by my hand is getting stopped. It's not rotating. This is the problem with this machine. Now we will remove the machine and we will check. First of all we have to remove here dryer filter. After that this two screw, back of the machine two screws. After that we can remove these two screws. We have to remove these two screws. I have to remove. After that we have to lift up. After that only the top cover will come out. Now we have to take it up, this one. It's like that will come. Also this side also same. Now we can take it up. We can keep like that. Now we can check here belt. Actually belt not loose. Drum is very hot, cannot touch even. But now we have to remove these two screws are here. Two nuts we have to remove. After that we can take a front panel. Now dear friends, we have to check ideal pulley, also belt. Now it is look like actually it's okay, but drum not rotating properly. While keeping my hand is getting stopped. Because of that, I have to check here belt rib. You can see, dear friends, belt, it is very hard while we are checking ideal pulley and motor pulley. You can see it is yes, it is ideal pulley and motor pulley. It is half only catching because the belt is short. It should be the reason. It is the reason my drum not rotating. Now I'm going to remove the belt here. Ideal pulley we have to press like this way. After that, very easy to remove. It's like that. Now that one also came. Now we can take it out drum. Yes, my dear, it is. I already took it out. Now this is the belt. The belt ribs are okay. Dear friends, actually I'm thinking this earlier this one somebody replaced the belt. It is not the correct belt. Anyway, now I already ordered new belt according to the model. It is part number the same. It should be, otherwise drum not rotating. Also, it's not matching properly. Because of that, I order the new belt. It is made in USA. It is number wise. It should come. This is the number. The number is 4819358181117. The part number C00312676. This is the original belt which is provided by the company. Now I'm going to replace this belt. You can see. Now I'm going to replace this one. After that, we will check if it is okay or not. Now with the ideal pulley, it will come like that belt. This way it will come. Now if it is belt short, it will come like that. The belt touching only here, that's much only. Because of that, with the load drum not rotating, it should come like that. At least it should come like that. But this belt, I'm thinking it's very short. Because of that only it's not rotating properly. I will replace the belt and we will check. Now I'm going to replace the belt, which is I'm suspecting the old one I'm replacing, and we will fix the new one. This one you can see here. Now I can hang like that inside the machine drum. Now belt like that. Now I'm going to fix ideal pulley. Now you can see here. Now I'm going to fix the ideal pulley here. It should come like that with the belt. It should come here. Just like that. Now I have to take tension here and we have to fix it is like that. You can see here. It should come like that actually. Now it is. This pulley, it is catching more than half. Now it will be okay. Now I'm going to fix front panel. Front cover is here. Its lock will come. Now this front panel, these two nuts we have to fix properly. We have to tight properly. Only this from through these two nuts only is front panel catching, holding. Because of that we have to tight properly. Now I already fixed. Now I have to fix door switch here. Now before fixing, we can check like that. Top cover we can keep like that. After that, I will give power and I will start the machine again. We can check. Yes, this is start already. You can see by while I'm keeping hand, we cannot touch. It's rotating very tightly. It's my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.